Alright, hey folks, I'm here at the RV repair place in Maryland, getting my, I'm removing the hitch myself, and I went and bought a new hitch, but I'm going to have them beef it up and then I'll reinstall it, or they can help me reinstall it, or they can reinstall it themselves. Anyway, let me show you what's going on. And as you can see, the welds didn't break. It's the metal that tore. Again, metal that tore. You can see the weld's still intact right there. It's just the metal right here that tore. And I'm in the process right now of cutting. I don't know if you can see, I'm cutting the weld. I've already got the bolts removed, so I'm cutting the weld now down here. I don't know if you can see that. I got this little piece right here left. Then I'll probably get a chisel and go in between and try and break the rest of the weld. So that's the piece right there that broke off, where it broke. And let me show you the other side. I haven't started on this side other than the bolts, so hopefully you can see. But I got a cut right along here, there, and here. Then I should be able to hammer a vise into right here, and it should pop off. Once that's done, I might just grind it off, get it nice and clean. So I'll probably have them re-weld this kind of stuff. Here's the new hitch. It's the exact same one. It's the only one I could find that was adjustable. I'll show you that. Hold on just a minute. See, it's adjustable right here width-wise. That's what made it ideal for mine. I thought I had it recording, but I guess I didn't. Anyhow, I'm going to have them weld a piece of metal onto here and then have it come down to the hitch to give it more stability out here. Anyhow, that's what's been going on. So I'm stuck here in Maryland till at least Monday, when the guy comes in to weld it. They're super cool here. They're letting me stay in the trailer, or the camper, the bus, and they are, hang on a minute, they have given me access to this building. It's got a shower in it, a toilet in it. They give me access to water, electricity, which none of it I have used yet, but just the fact that they're offering it to me, that's pretty cool. Well, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Be safe.